Welcome back. When you're using an HTML sales page, what you may want to do is you may want to place an autoplay video right under the headline. And in order to do that, we'll need to go to where your video is going to be hosted. In most cases, you will be using free hosting from youtube.com. And once your video is hosted on YouTube, all you'll need to do is to go to the actual video. Then you'll go to the share link. You'll then go to the embed code. We will then make sure that we do not show suggested videos, that we don't show the player controls, and that we don't show the video title. What we're going to do is we're now going to grab this entire code and we're going to head back to our page. And we're going to place our cursor in the WYSIWYG editor. We're going to find our place. We're then going to add in a break. We'll then go to the next line, and then we're going to paste in our embed code. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to this word, which is AMP. We're going to delete that word and we're going to write in autoplay equals 1. Once we have that in, we're then going to save our page and then we're going to upload it back to our site. And when we refresh our page, our video will then start to play. We're going to silence it here. And we have our sales video in place, ready for our page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.